Alright, so first thing we can discuss are the important tools that we'll be using for our dissections. Right? You should have a pair of scissors. Notice that they have a pointed end and a blunt end. That's an important fact for these scissors. We have toothed forceps. If you look here at the end, these teeth are very important for being able to actually grab on to flesh and being able to pull it away. We also have a blunt probe, right? And highly recommend an actual blunt probe. No need for a pointed probe. Right? Another important tool for every dissection. We have our scalpel handle. Which will come with some scalpel blades. Right? To properly apply one of your blades to your scalpel handle, we want to go ahead and observe a few things here. One, if we look at the scalpel handle itself as I rotate it here, we can see that there's a groove cut along this side, and there's a corresponding groove cut on this side. The other part to notice is if we look at this side of the handle, there's an angle cut right here. And if we look at this side, there's no cut at all. It's completely smooth the whole way down. Then moving to open up the blade, if we look, all the packages will tell us where to open, where it says peel. To grab that whole side with my thumb and forefinger, grab the central part of the blade with my other fingers, and then tear it open on the edge of the blade itself. I like to leave the blade inside the wrapper to protect myself while applying the handle. When we look at the blade itself, I want to notice that it has a larger opening and a smaller opening, and it also has an angle cut on the side of it right here. Right? That angle cut needs to correspond to the angle cut on the handle. They need to line up. That's where it will recess in. If you do it this way, it's not going to work. Right? So insert the tip of the handle into the large opening from below. Turn so that the narrow opening goes into each of the slots, and then slowly press it on until you hear it click. Now we have a ready to use scalpel blade.